Hey, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I have got all of my weekend sales from all of my online platforms. So we're going to see exactly how much money we made on every platform. Okay, for those of you who don't know, we do a fire sale, and I'm really excited to share with you all of the numbers that we made on the fire sale. And so we're going to give you profit numbers of all of the stuff that we sold. I ended up with a total of 37 different orders, and then I've got about 5 people who haven't yet paid. And so in total for our fire sale numbers, we're going to end up with $1,165 we made on our fire sale. Then on regular Hooked on Pickin, we definitely sold a few things that were not on the fire sale. You can see Paul in the background kind of packaging some of that stuff. But we sold this Funko Pop Target limited edition for $7, and then how to create a profitable Poshmark store for $30. That's an automatic digital download. You get emailed directly to you. So $15 on regular Hooked on Pickin, which makes our grand total $1,202 on Hooked on Pickin sales. Then we're going to go ahead and move on to Mercari. Mercari, we sold only one item this past weekend for a total of $11. I have more of these, so I'm going to go ahead and relist them. So let's move on to the next platform. We have Facebook Marketplace, and that's a big fat 0. So we didn't make any money on Facebook Marketplace, but I don't list a lot there. Then let's move on to Poshmark. Poshmark is always a big seller for me. I sell lots of items, so we're going to go ahead and show you each and every item that we sold, and then I'll give you a grand total at the end. All right, so this, as you can see, my earnings was $2.05 on this cute floral print top, and I'm going to go ahead and write down all these numbers so we can give you a grand total at the end, but you can see my Poshmark fees there. And then when we're going to look closely at this, it is a size small, and so here's a closer look at this Style & Company floral print top, size small, black and white. Then next we sold for an earnings of $19.20 this size 14 pair of pants. Let's get a closer look. New with tags, Charter Club, Tummy Slimming, Bristol Capris. Then we sold for a profit earnings of $3.93. We sold it for $9, and then the Poshmark fees you can see there. And then it is a New with Tags Bravado Slimming Nursing Cami. Very cute. Then we have these jeans that we sold for $11.05 for profit there. You sold for $14, $2.95 for fees, and $11.05 for profit. They are a pair of high-rise skinny jeans, universal thread, dark blue. Next, we sold for 93 cents. It's a size 8 petite. We don't often sell petites well, so I was actually surprised we sold this at all, and it's been on the store for quite some time. But it's a new with tags Elfani size 8 petite tummy control skinny leg pair of red pants. Then next, we've got this really cute dress that we sold. It was actually a really good sale, $25.88. I offered a shipping discount to make the sale because someone liked it. It's a black and gold midi cocktail dress, sleeveless, brand new. As you can see, it took a great picture with a fun hem on the bottom. Then, of course, you know how I love my bundles. I made $20 on this bundle. They offered me $25, and then my fee was $5, and so we sold 3 separate things in this bundle, and so let's get a closer look. We sold this mini shopper lunch tote insulated cooler bag gray from Out of the Woods, then these cylinder heeled women's Norma style A New Day, and then an Out of the Woods vegan insulated lunch box. So those are a really good sale for that bundle. Then another bundle, of course. This was all intimates. We made $15.48 after my earnings. I offered them a shipping discount on this as well. So we sold this unlined underwear bra, Acceleration Pink. And then we also sold this bundle of underwear, which I've been bundling similar sizes with some other fun things. As you can see, some unicorn socks and some sloth socks we also sold in this bundle. Then here's another bundle. These are all men's jeans. I don't often sell men's jeans very well, so as you can see, they're all $5. They bundled them together for a total of $7.05. Not too shabby, but remember, they always have to pay shipping fees on Poshmark. So here's a native jeans, slim fit jeans, low waist, dark blue. And then the next pair is the exact same kind of jeans. It's just a medium wash in those. And then the last pair, I believe, is a different style. It is a men's comfort stretch straight fit jeans from Good Threads. Then next we have this cute dress that we made 93 cents, or sorry, not 93 cents, that was the tax, $9.05. An exhilaration floral off the shoulder mini dress. You can also wear it as a tunic. It's very, very cute. Then we sold a pair of capris for $3.93 of profits. So I'm giving you these numbers after fees and after shipping discounts that I offer. So these are a pair of universal thread mid-rise skinny khaki jeans, tan. Then another bundle, of course, which also includes some of those men's jeans, but you can see some of the other things. $23.12 is what they earned there. You can see all the Poshmark fees on there and the tax collected. So this bundle was actually sold originally for $34. And so they got this embossed crocodile sin trifold leather wallet. I do have some more of these crocodile wallets, so check out my Poshmark closet if you're interested. Then a women's flare leg regular fit jean pants. And then, of course, a pair of native jeans slim fit men's. Then another bundle. We made some good money on this one. $19.20 are my earnings there, as you can see. And so we sold a NWOT Styling Company side tie global retreat top with a cute little tie side there. And then we sold a sweater in the middle of summer. It's a NWOT Harry Potter Crewneck sweater that is medium. Next, we sold this really neat kind of unique outfit for $9.88. It kind of looks to me like something you'd wear as a costume, but it also looks extremely comfortable. So this is a NWOT Prologue large mock neck batwing sleeve knit dress. It's super comfortable, but it's kind of a different color brown that I don't normally see in a lot of the fashion. And then next we sold for $2.05. It is a size 0 mid-rise pair of skinny jeans. That's partly why it sold for such a low price. Those smaller sizes have a tendency to sell for less. Then we have a bundle. Of course, I call this my baby bundle because we sold for $4.93 2 items. We sold a baby item and a maternity item. So here's the baby girl fleece hooded pram suit, mint pink. And then, of course, the maternity pants to go with it. Isabel maternity underbelly panel leggings, black. Then last but not least, this is one of my best sales ever. I made $79.20 on this. And so this is a new without tag Sandy Liang pleated crossover polyblend skirt. And if you didn't see before, this came actually from my Quick Lots box, which was kind of a rough box to go through, but this was a gem inside the box. So let's go ahead and add up our totals for Poshmark. From Poshmark, we made a total of $238. Let's go to Amazon Seller Central, all of our merchant sales. We sold only 2 items on Merchant Fulfill, and one of them is a Bali Beauty by Women's back smoothing underwear bra. And then next we sold, you have to remember, you lose money on shipping sometimes. This is a Negresso Sport Brella, which, yeah, it sold for about $19, but I ended up only making about $5 because of how much they undercharged for shipping, and then I had to pay the extra for shipping. So you just have to be aware of that on Merchant Fulfill. So our total on Merchant Fulfill for Amazon is $15 after all my fees. Then let's go ahead and check out Amazon FBA. So Amazon FBA, we're going to go through all of the things that we sold. So here are some of the things that we sold. A Rebellious One, Junior's metallic moon print muscle shirt. Bubblegum Eggs, Smarties flavors. Then a Pokemon TCG Sword and Shield Elite Trainer box. A Unikitty Lego set. I'm sure you're noticing some of the things we've unboxed. A Funko Mystery Minis Rick and Morty. Our fun little friend, the Ugly Unicorn, the Disney Pixar Onward Unicorn plushie. Then a Manhattan Toy Lego Movie 12-inch Sweet Mayhem figure. A Cut the Wire Bomb Game. A Rolling Stones 300-piece puzzle. A Mucklux pair of boots. NCAA Zephyr Men's Invert Snapback Hat. One of those water toys, the Hydro Lacrosse toy. Lori American Paint Horse Brown. Funko Mystery Minners Rick and Morty Mystery Box. Thalia Sodi Long Sleeve High-Low Maxi Dress. Lego Movie Lego Set. A pair of Rockport Work Women's Work Shoe. Another Smarties Egg Set. Another Rick and Morty blind box. Ew, slime. I don't know what the obsession with this is, but we sold a slime set. And another slime set. Then another Rick and Morty blind box. A Sea Folly Women's F-Cup Halter Tankini Top swimsuit. A Hydro football for the pool. Another Lego set. A Fuggler. A pillow protector. Another snapback hat for the Syracuse. A Angelina Women's Cotton Comfort high-waisted leggings. A trellis game. A Rick and Morty blind box set. Some dive rings. And last but not least, some super splashers. So let's head on over and see exactly how much money we made on Amazon FBA. Remember, I don't have to ship any of this. We made $402 on items I don't have to ship on Amazon FBA. And then let's head on over and eBay. We didn't sell anything on eBay. Of course, I'm not posting a lot on eBay. So we're going to add up all these numbers and give you a grand total of everything that we sold. So my weekend sales for this past weekend was $1,868. So hopefully it's been fun to watch this. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.